Okay, so just a bit then from statistics about frequency tables and bar charts. You should be able to put data into a frequency table. Here is a list of marks in a test completed by year 8s. Make a frequency table for the information. So you can see they've scored from 0 all the way up to 5. The way the table is set out here, I've added an extra row onto the top because I wanted to be able to put in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I also wanted a title about what was up here, so that's going to be sort of our heading. So that's the mark they got. We're going to do a tally, and then the frequency is in whenever we add up our tally. So let's go. We're just going to go through them one at a time and mark them off then as we go. So my first one is a 3, a 0, a 0, a 1, a 0, a 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 5, 4, 1, 3, 2, 0, 4, 4, 1, 4, 4, and 0. We can now total up our frequencies. So we have 5, we have 4, we have 3, we have 4, we have 8, and we have 6. Let's move on to the next wee bit then. So you should be able to draw a bar chart. You should be able to read information from a bar chart. You should be able to read information from a pictogram. Sorry, you can't even see that. Apologies. Sometimes it can be helpful to see our data displayed in a bar chart. So we're going to create a bar chart to display the data from example 1. So here is our data from example 1. So we need the frequency to go up as high as 8. And then our marks is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's take a wee look at this. We can have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going along here, and then we can have a frequency then going up to 8 at the side. So we most definitely need a ruler. So I'm going to draw along here, and then I'm going to draw up a side. You guys can't quite see to the top, but that's okay. And so then going up the side will be frequency. So I'm going to write frequency. And going along the bottom then is the mark that they got. So they get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. If there were twice as many here, I would make each bar kind of twice as wide, but that's okay. Frequency then going up the side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's look back to see what we have. We'll do our first 3. So this will be 5 and 4 and 3. So 0 is 5. Do try and make it nice and thick so you can see it. A wee bit thicker actually, just so it's reasonably clear. Next one then is 4. Really kind of doing a double thickness here so we can see these as we do it. For 2, of course, the frequency was 3. And then so let's look back and see what we have here. So the other ones then are going to be 4 and 8 and 6. Let's just mark those off. Up here. Sometimes gives you a wee bit less work to do if you do the highest one first. So I'm going to fill in the date here. Again, if I was marking one of these, I would not be giving you full marks if you didn't use a ruler. Another rule about bar charts, of course, is that the bars all need to be the same width. There we're looking, nearly there. And I think that's our bar chart there. So what do we have then about our bar chart? I can see it's nice and clear. Some people colour in the bars, that's okay. I have my scale going up the side. I have my scale going along the bottom. I have my labels, so you would get a mark for those. And there's only one thing missing, and that needs to be a title. So I'm going to call my bar chart Year 8 Marks. And that's us finished. That would get you full marks there. And I hope you see then all the features of what it is then we're looking for.